Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm just going through it with you. Just check that another member is supposed to give them a piece.
No membership?
Signal. You can't ask or signal for a piece. No member may take a piece from another member. Okay? Members are not allowed to put other members' puzzle together. Members may give their pieces to other members, but not place those pieces in another member's puzzle. You must simply hand over the piece to the other person. Right? So what is your aim? Yes, well and good.
And you can give others.
You can give others. Clear?
Yes, madam.
This one is always looking for the shortcut.
Correct.
It was fun throughout, or is between something's happened?
No.
Just fun throughout?
Yes.
Oh, he's a reached soul. Yes. What about you, sweetie?
It's fun, but sometimes I felt that some people are trying to make their own square and not, and it's really helping out. But then later, when we were not able to reach the target of 5 squares, then later everyone came into action and started helping each other to make it.
Wonderful. Oh, what about you?
Communication is very important.
You see that, no?
Yeah.
No, communication. One is sunk.
Yeah.
Right? So in a team, communication is the central core of working. You see what happens when communications are cut. Now when you don't have verbal communications, what were you all relying on?
We were waiting for somebody to pass it.
You were waiting for someone to pass it. Right?
Leadership type that we require this, nor you require this.
So what did you need to do for it to happen properly? You couldn't tell. You had to wait. You had to wait for that fellow to see. Actually, what was happening? Till when did it actually sort itself out?
When everybody started seeing each other.
Shabash! You have understood team decision making. When everybody looks at something together is when things move. Right? You cannot look at one part of it and say, okay, and that happens so naturally because that's human nature. Right? I feel my part is done, now it's rest. One team leader sitting there, somebody else is sitting there, not a problem. This is very natural. No judgment to my statements. I'm saying this is what happens in life. Right? So you have to be alert to that. The fact that I have finished my little bit and I'm not looking at the whole immediately makes the team go haywire. See that clearly? What did you feel?
One more thing, what was difficult as soon as I got, I distributed my things, whatever I got little squares, I could do it faster. Anisha, she voted whether she wanted the squares or not, she voted it to herself and Ava was the last thing to be done. Because she did not give it to others. She voted all the 10 squares, extra squares she had.
So the very important thing is, the more you give away, the more happens. It's very important learning in life. The more you hoard, the less happens for the whole. Okay, so giving is a very important part of teamwork. You have to keep giving, right? Okay.
Here, making square depends on us, not on us. Making square depends on us. Because all the pieces are redistributed and we can't make square by one. We have to rely on one member, I have to see other member whether that piece matches with my piece. So we have to rely on them. Somehow have to expecting us to they have to communicate. Then only can make square.
Correct.
Nothing like that.
So this is again key, interdependence. You have
Interdependence.
understood interdependence right here and now. You will never forget it.
Without with my own piece, I couldn't make.
You couldn't make at all. You were sitting for a long time. I was watching. You were seeing, and suddenly you realized that nobody else was able to make. And then you had to,
you need to get the square first, the pieces.
that was the first part. Then the second part, when you had made, you suddenly realized that they were all stuck without your giving away again. So again you
Then I thought of giving.
exactly. Wonderful. Right? Okay. Let's ask this group. What was your experience, Yuvraj?
Initially, I thought like it should be A, B, C, D or in that way.
Correct.
And secondly, I thought like, without coordination, it was not possible.
Yeah.
So everybody concentrating on their own stuff. Then later they started looking each other.
Yeah.
Then we.
So Yuvraj went into meta level. He's teacher, no? He's your teacher. So he went into already thinking about how it has to be done in the room. He wasn't worrying about this. See how we operate. See from where all we are operating. Right? So you went into the thing of, and your first, that's the usual response, huh?
Yeah.
That all the A's should be together, B should be, and as I think somebody in this group asked, is it letters together? Because that's the first, that's how the mind makes, the brain makes connections. You say E, okay, that's the simplest, so you say that. Then you have to realize the task is not as easy as it looks. Suddenly you realize the task is very complicated. Okay. Did some level of frustration set in? Extremely frustrated. When did the frustration come and when did the frustration go?
Because when I got it, I started like giving it, and everybody is like, "Oh, I'm done," and I'm like, "Oh no, it is not about just." I mean, so I'm like, "Why are you not?"
Why are you not giving it out?
Yeah.
Why are you not giving it out?
So I'm like, I tried giving it out everything here. I'm like, okay, because.
So you can see what is operating in you is the quickness of wanting it to be done and you seeing it, but you need to take the team to see it.
And you can't communicate.
And you can communicate. Right? This is the part that's in the air in a team. Okay, this is the part that's in the air. Teams are always with somebody ahead and somebody behind, and it is intuition, not intuition, it's kind of a careful watching of what's happening in each person's mind, and you're sort of sussing it out, and then you make the right move. Right? And for that right move to happen, your border has to drop and the other person's border also has to drop. Do you see that clearly? As long as there are borders between you and the other, you cannot give and you cannot take. So that border is essential, and see, he experienced the other fellow's borders. He was willing to let go of his border, but till they let go of their border, nothing happened. He was just sitting there watching. Right?
It's like connecting and saying to each other.
It's connecting with each other. And the whole thing is about connecting. There's nothing, once you have understood connecting, you will be a team player. There's no, the rest is all theory. If you understand connection, you have understood teamwork. It's all teamwork at different levels, and the borders are at different levels. He's a man, I am a woman. She has children, I don't have children. He has, the boss likes him, doesn't like him. This is from my village, my state in Karnataka, not my state. That one is from Punjab. You see all the divisions that are operating in the mind all the time. Right? All those barriers. So to get through those barriers, you have to understand yourself first. Otherwise you will not see your barriers. You will only see the other fellow's barriers. Right? So barriers are critical in connection. To drop the barriers. And for that, trust is needed. Right? At which point do we actually start trusting our team players? At that point, the team takes off. Till there is no trust, there is no team. Right? Thank you, sir. I'm so happy to see this because I'm only through a little exercise showing you something that you know from your lives. But we do not allow it to operate because it's subconscious. Those barriers, many of them are subconscious. We don't even know that they exist in our minds. But because they exist, work does not happen. Because work can only happen Because we all depend on each other. The children in school were asking a very interesting question the other day. Someone was saying, I will earn a lot of money because I can make a lot of money. So I said, how will you make a lot of money? The business. Then people will buy the product. So I said, so if they don't buy your product, then you will not make a lot of money. I said, yes. So I said, then you are dependent on your customer. Because the feeling is that when you run the business, you are in charge. Right? It hadn't struck at all that ultimately, even for a good business to run, there has to be dependency on the customer. Right? So it's good to go on looking at which stages in life we experience interdependency and how do we let go of barriers, because then we become good team players and then everybody is very happy to have us. They'll call for you. Come, we want you. Okay. And then everything else falls in place. Joyful, mission, vision, it all follows. Right? Okay. Now, there are some more questions. Let me see if I've covered the question. This is a nice twist today. Huh? First time I'm playing it with cutting the wrong squares. It was so nice. Because it's
Squares are fine. I think we have not used entire thing.
Or else one more member has to be there to prepare a
Yes,
recipe.
one extra,
We have
one
cut it
extra.
properly, member.
Wait, Kana. No, see, this is. Let me tell you. Okay, it says.
Yes, ma'am. See, this
No,
time
yes,
we have not
correct.
made. We have made it in a different way.
Different
So that paper
Because we've
starts
used
three.
See, there's no
Yeah,
more
we have
control pieces.
properly
No, but
All
if
the
there are,
pieces
if
are-
there
This we have
are,
not prepared, ma'am.
no, sweetheart. But what I'm saying is, there should be no extra pieces then in your
Yes,
group.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This kind we have not prepared.
We
There are
are not
three
going
pieces
to
in our
we have
squares.
made three.
Okay.
All
All
our
the
spaces
other
are three
we
pieces.
minimize the
Yeah.
the
Three.
We made space in
size
three
has
pieces.
been
We're
decreased.
supposed to make
Yeah.
space in
But
four
listen,
pieces.
let's just logically, just tell me. Maybe my brain is not, I'm not very mathematical, so.
This kind we have not prepared.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is,
Size-
just listen to me.
Okay.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many pieces do you have there? How many
Three,
pieces do you have there?
three. 5 3
15,
15, ma'am. 15, ma'am.
15.
Ah.
That's right.
4 we have not used. We have
Four we
made
have not
it in a
used.
different way.
We have
That
But
is
you made slightly
amazing.
different.
Your team has come up with a new
Oh,
solution.
Vishal, that's what you're asking. As per that,
Yes, ma'am.
you
As
finished
per
two other
that-
pieces.